Hi everyone. Today I be sharing my reflection on chapter 2, Unpacking the Self, focusing on the topic of human sexual behavior. This chapter made me realize how important it is to understand ourselves not just emotionally or mentally but also physically and sexually. Human sexual behavior isn't just about physical act, it's shaped by culture, belief, family, media, and even religion. It reflects how we connect with others, express intimacy, and navigate relationships. What struck me most was how society often shapes our ideas or what's normal or acceptable. It reminded me that sexual behavior varies across people and cultures, and that's okay. Respect, consent, and self awareness are key. Unpacking the self also means being honest with who we are, including our sexuality. This chapter encouraged me to be more open minded and respectful of others' experience, and to continue learning about myself in a healthy and responsible way.